For task 2, I want to create a graphic that will identify my presentation as mine and that can go on each slide. To start, I'm going to find a picture that represents me. So I'm going to go to Insert Image, and I'm going to go search from web. And then if I search from the web, a side window opens up and I can type in a topic, and then it will automatically show me lots of pictures that I can choose from. So I'll choose this one here of a climber because that's something that interests me. And what I want to do is I want to crop this and I want to add an image mask so it's a different shape. So to begin with, I go to Help and I need to type in image mask, and it'll give me a whole bunch of options for different shapes I can put around the image. So I'm going to select oval, and now what I might want to do is I might want to zoom in on this climber. So now that I've got the oval selected, I need to go up to the crop tool. And what I can do is I can make the oval smaller and I can move the picture around so that my climber is right inside it. And sometimes the alignment tools will help with that. So I've now got my image, and then the last step is I'm going to play around with the format options. So for every image, if you click on format options, you can get lots of different options here. So I'm going to recolor it. Since I've picked blue as my theme, I might try recoloring it to a bluish shape. I might try I can add a drop shadow to it to make it jump out a bit more. I could make it a little less bright and maybe increase the contrast. And then over here, I can also play around with the lines around it. And so I can make the line thicker, and I think I might even pick a bluish border. And now once I'm all done with that, I can make it smaller because it's just going to go in the corner here of my presentation. And now that it's smaller, I think I'm going to make the line a little, not quite as wide. And there we go. I've got my graphic ready to go. Once you have your graphic in the correct position, it's very straightforward to select it, copy it, and then you can go to each slide, and if you just paste it in, it'll paste it in the same place so that when you go back and forth between the slides, it doesn't look like it's moving.